Post-construction termite findings discovered during a pre-sale inspection must be resolved quickly to protect the sale and satisfy disclosure obligations. When a post-construction termite issue appears, start by hiring a licensed pest professional to perform a thorough inspection and produce a written report that includes infestation locations, active versus old damage, and a clear scope of work. The scope should list specific treatments such as localized spot treatment, whole structure soil treatment, or baiting systems, and identify any required structural repairs with material and access details. Ask the inspector to include a timeline for completion and a final clearance inspection so buyers and their agents can see measurable progress. If repairs are needed, get a contractor estimate and match repair items precisely to what the pest professional specified, so work addresses both damage and conducive conditions like wood to soil contact or moisture sources. Provide the buyer a packet with the original inspection, the licensed pest report, invoices for treatments, and any repair receipts so disclosure is transparent and traceable. If the parties agree on escrow holds, document the amount, trigger events for release, and the party responsible for completing outstanding work so funds are available if follow-up is necessary. Common mistakes include relying on an incomplete or informal assessment instead of a licensed pest professional, which can leave active infestation untreated. Remedy this by insisting on a state-licensed inspection report with recommended treatments and a follow-up clearance. Another frequent issue is performing cosmetic repairs without correcting the infestation source, which risks recurrence and buyer dispute. Avoid that by coupling repairs with corrective treatments and mitigation of wood to soil contact and moisture issues. A third problem is failing to document or disclose post-treatment outcomes, which complicates closing and potential liability. Fix this by compiling and delivering all reports, invoices, and the final clearance to the buyer and their agent, and ensuring disclosure forms reflect the work done. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and pest professionals to carry out treatments and repairs quickly, and we make it easy for contractors to find work in their community. We also host an active discussion community where buyers, sellers, and professionals share experiences and practical advice about handling pre-sale termite remediation and disclosure.